in your visual builder, to activate the presets for the area, what you can do is you can open up the area that you would like to. So for this module, for the button module, if I wanted to make changes to this preset, I would click on these 3 white dots and I would edit the preset style. And once I edit this preset style, it's going to make the global changes across your entire website. So the way that we know that we're not in the local styler, we're in the global styler, is this gray header area. Once you're in it, by clicking on those 3 white dots, you'll click on the design area, and then you'll make the changes to your button in real time. So if you wanted to change the text color, you could do that here. You could make any change that you would like here, and it will affect all of the buttons that are using this preset style header or preset style name across your entire website. And if you wanted to, and once you're done with that, you click the save button. But to see that in real time, let's see, I'll open up a button. So if I wanted to make a new button, I would open up the button module, and you'll see that these buttons look different because this preset is not set to the same preset as this button over here. The way that we find that preset is we open up the button preset and we find the name of that button. I have a lot of presets in here. You won't have as many in yours, but the name of that is primary button preset. And the way that I know that is the name on this one. It's listed right there, preset, primary button preset imported. So it actually needs to say imported on there for it to make the changes. So primary button preset imported. So once we have that in here, I can show you the changes are made on both buttons, even though I'm only changing this one here. So again, to make the changes, you click the 3 white buttons, or you can click the gear icon of the module and then head up to this preset area, click there, and then you know that you're using the preset, primary button preset imported. Let's see. By clicking on it, hovering over it, and then you click on this button, edit preset style, the pencil icon for the preset that you're in. Click that, and then you'll see that it switched over to that gray header area, and that's how you know that you're in the global settings. So once you're in the global settings, go over to the design area and then start making your changes to the button. So if I change this here, you'll see that both of them changed. And if I change the background color and do that, both of them are changing. And then you can change anything you would like in here in terms of the styling. Once you're done, you click that save button and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to make these changes to this entire, here, I'll just show you. Are you sure that you want to do this? And once you click yes, then all of the buttons that are using that preset style are going to be changed across your entire website. So once you're done with that, click save and then click save again. And that would be the same for any preset that is found within your Divi theme builder and also within your complete website kit. And there are presets for basically every module within your complete website kit. So it's a really quick way to make changes to all your customizations to match your branding style across your entire website. So that is how the preset styling works. Again, quick overview. To get into those presets, you go to the 3 white buttons, or on the settings icon, you'll see that the preset is named there. And then you just want to make sure that you're in that preset to make those changes. You can also make the changes by clicking that edit button. And you can also make changes just by clicking on, so we're in there, you're in the local area because of the purple, but if you were to make those changes and you didn't remember, I didn't remember to open up the global changes, you can still click over it. And you'll see that that check mark is there, so we know that that's the preset that we're in. You click over it, and then you click update preset with current style. So that will update the preset that way as well. And then just click the save button when you're done. So if you were adding a new button and you wanted to use those presets, again, you would just add the button and then you would go up to this preset area and then you would add the correct label for the button from the preset area. And since you did import these presets, it would likely be the one that says imported on it, and then it will automatically update with those styles. And this applies to every module within your complete website kit.